Hey everybody, you're watching The Clueless Farm. I apologize. That was uncalled for. That wasn't needed. I apologize. So I recorded a bunch of stuff and then just out of habit hit format on the camera. Erased everything on the card. It's all gone. So now what? It's Saturday and kind of a slow day today. You want to see my lawnmower? Alright, so a recap. Mowing grass shouldn't be that hard. But if anyone can make something difficult, it's me. We moved here July 15th and the grass needed cut pretty bad. All I had with me when we moved here was our reel mower from back in town. I don't know why I brought it along, but I did. Anyways, that wouldn't do it. So I looked around, asked around, found this for 150 bucks. It was a good buy, good mower, runs great, only works in the highest gear. So I've been working on it off and on throughout the summer. It mows the grass. It's just, so I'm still working on that. In the meantime, this was sitting at my father-in-law's house, not working, and his friend who's been staying there kind of off and on throughout the summer has been working on this off and on. He got it going the other day. He brought it over here so I could mow the grass, and he gave me some instructions, and I will pass this information along to you because I love it. Okay, so clutch and brake, whichever is which, they don't work. Forget you have those. You just hold on to the gear shift and you just slam it forward, slam it backward, put it in neutral when you want to stop. Think fast. Key does not work, so there's a hot wire here, and that's how you start it. There's no safety switch on the seat. I mean, just turn on the mower, put it in gear, and let it go do its own thing if you want to. So, tires go flat every half hour or so. So you gotta be constantly filling those tires. Otherwise, this thing does cut really well. Okay, let's start it. Right there. Well, it was a bit of a scary ride, but the lawnmower did a good job. Looks pretty good. Hopefully that's the last mow of 2021. I drove the company vehicle home last night. So today I'll be doing the same thing I've been doing all week. Going through the fields and getting all the round bales that were deposited throughout the summer in the fields. I guess you could say I'm rounding them up. And then loading them on a trailer and taking them down the hill so they'll all be in the same spot for winter. And the part that's a little stressful for an amateur like me is stacking them on the trailer, and then I'm going down hills, I'm hitting gopher mounds, the trailer's kind of tippy, and so it's a little, but yeah, that's what I'll be doing today and probably tomorrow. Maybe the next day.
go up to drag through that.
What, why? What's that? What's going on there?
Oh, I thought that looked like a good branch to work with for the roosts in the bird coop. Better than the beams that we put up, just something more natural, better shape for them to, but I got to figure out if I want to use more of it in its current state and just kind of prop it up in there, or if we're going to cut them apart and
There's another caterpillar, right?
yeah, it was there last night too. Oh yeah, I see your little liquidy poop. We're still giving you all sorts of things that you happy, yeah. You guys do your thing. Eat your green grass.
Enjoy some fresh air today. We got this thing, which at some point we might turn into something bird related. So we got some chickens now. That is a Pennsylvania soft coat. That is a Delta Whirlwind, and that is a Hoosier Peak.
I think the viewers know that you made that up.
That's okay, there's no one watching. The combine is back up and running, so harvest will be happening soon, and I'm excited about that, and I will record whatever I can of however that goes. I don't know. I don't know what to expect. It's my first harvest. It's my first, not even this month. This is October. I've never been in South Dakota in October. So, luckily there are some trees around us. There's really only like I think 27 or 28 trees in the whole state, but luckily 26 of them are surrounding us, and so get to see some of the fall colors at least. That'll be nice. Where was I going with this? Harvest, leaves. Why did I hit format? Why did I do that? Just lost all the stuff. All the stuff. Yeah.